A father takes the stand to speak about his son, and the phone call that changed everything. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Please have a seat wherever you feel comfortable. What is your name? Eugene F. Richens. Do you spell your last name RSN? Yes. Did you know Eric Richens? Yes. He was my son.
Scott, can I get 842 Romeo?
Just in terms of events, do you want to show it to him first and then publish?
Your Honor, I think if perhaps we could show it to everybody but the jury.
Done.
Sir, do you recognize this photograph?
Yes, I do.
Who does it depict?
This is my son.
Is it an accurate depiction of him?
It is.
Your Honor, the state moves to admit 842R.
No objection.
842R is admitted.
Can the court please publish it?
There we go.
Sir, how old was Eric when he died?
He was 39.
Do you know Corey Richens?
I do.
How do you know her?
She was the wife of my son.
Do you see her here today?
I do.
Can you please point out where and describe her?
Right here with a black blazer on.
Did you raise Eric?
I did. And my wife also. Both of us did.
What, sir, was your wife's name?
Linda Carter Richens.
Were you actively involved with him as a child?
I was, very much so.
How so?
Well, as I was raised and as I tried to raise my children as family's number one, so we did everything together as a family. Education was extremely important for us as a family, as was a strong work ethic, as was religion. So those were kind of my top priorities of how we raised our children.
And in raising your children, especially Eric, what kind of activities did you engage in?
Eric was very, very into the outdoors, very athletic young man.
He was a very good student, very smart. We did many things together. I run a cattle ranch, and he helped from the time he was very young. In my opinion, that's what gave him his strong work ethic and helped him become successful. Were you involved in his life as an adult? Yes, I was. How often did you see him? We saw and spoke to each other regularly.
Please.
You bet. I'd see him at least once, twice, 3 times a week. I'd talk to him every day on the phone.
And where would you generally see him?
Ball games. One of the kids' ball games at the ranch. Basically all over the place.
What was Eric's personality?
Eric had a very, very fun-loving personality. He had a very likable personality. He loved people, and people loved him.
You mentioned that you raised him to have a strong work ethic, be grounded in family, and to do well in school. Did you see those qualities in him as an adult?
I did. I was very, very proud of him.
Did you get to interact with, or I guess observe Eric interact with his 3 boys?
I did, constantly.
Can you give us some examples, please?
Eric was their coach, but their father, but most important was their very, very best friend. He coached soccer. We both coached basketball. We both coached baseball with him. So we were constantly involved in all their activities.
Did he bring the boys to your ranch?
Constantly, yes. They were the oldest one loves to rope, so that was his thing in life, and liked to rope, and the other ones love to just ride four-wheelers or whatever it may be.
Was Eric a good father?
Eric was an excellent father.
Were you and Eric working on any future plans together when he died?
We were. We were going to buy a cabin together up in the U.
I'm getting older now. I hope to retire from ranching someday. I've been trying to pass the ranch on to him and his siblings. Did you receive a phone call on the morning of March 4th, 2022, about Eric? Yes. Who called you? Corey.
What did she tell you?
She said that Eric wasn't breathing.
Where, sir, were you when you received that call?
I was at my home.
Is that the ranch?
Yes.
Is it in Hennifer?
It is.
What did you do next?
I got over there as quickly as I could.
And by over there, do you mean Eric's house?
I did, yes.
And is that in Camas, Summit County?
Yes, Francis. Mm-hmm.
Francis? Do you recall about what time you arrived at Eric's house?
I would say that 4:15, 4:30, right through that.
Who was there when you arrived?
My daughter, Katie, was there. Corey was there. The first responders were there. Corey's mother, Lisa, was there. My son-in-law, Clint, was there. And my two granddaughters were there, as the three boys were there.
About how long were you there that morning?
Oh, approximately to 10:30, I believe.
During that morning, what, if anything, did Corey Richens say to you?
You know, I don't recall her saying much of anything to me.
Did she?
When I came in and my daughter, Katie, told me that Eric was gone, they helped me onto the couch, and I don't ever recall of even talking to Corey, to be quite honest with you.
Did Corey later tell you what caused Eric's death? Yes, she did. I don't remember the exact date, but it was sometime between the funeral and when the medical examiner gave the official cause of death. She called me and said the medical examiner determined that Eric died from the same thing Linda did. Linda was your wife. Yes, she was.
What, sir, caused your wife's death?
She had an issue with fungus in her lungs.
What, if anything, struck you about Corey Richens telling you that Eric died of the same thing that his mother did?
Well, right after I finished talking with Corey, I called my daughter, Katie, who in turn called the medical examiner, and they had never received a call from Corey.
Your Honor.
We're going to admit this answer only for the effect that it had upon Mr. Richens to explain what he did or didn't do next. You cannot consider it for the truth of what he's about to say.
Please, sir, continue.
Help me again.
Sure.
Where were we?
What, if anything, struck you about Corey Richens telling you that Eric died of the same thing that Linda died of?
Well, as I said, I called my daughter, Katie. Katie, in turn, called the medical examiner, and they had never received a call from Corey. They had not even released the results from it yet.
Renew the objection and move to strike, Your Honor.
Same instruction. That answer only explains what comes next in terms of what Gene did or didn't do. May I call you Gene? I'm so sorry.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Please.
Not for the truth of whether those things that he just described actually happened.
Sir, were you with your wife as she was battling the lung fungus?
I was.
Did Eric Richens suffer from the same symptoms that your wife did?
No, not at all.
Sir, I need to take care of some business now regarding some handwriting samples, okay?
Okay.
Your Honor, may I approach the witness? Yes. I'm handing the witness Exhibit 8 to 49, a collection of handwriting samples. Mr. Richens, please turn to tab 14. Do you recognize the documents in tab 14? Yes, I do.
I do.
Are they labeled K14?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Are they receipts from Weller Recreation Center?
Yes,
Did you pick up those receipts from Weller Recreation Center?
I did.
Did you then hand those receipts to your daughter, Katie Richens Benson?
I'm sure I did, yes.
Thank you. Can I retrieve that? Sir, I don't have any additional questions at this time, but the defense may, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Ms. Nestor, please proceed.
Sir, we're very sorry for your loss, and we have no questions for you at this time.
Thank you.
Gene, you can step down. Do you mind taking that glass of water with you?
Might need another one.
Fair enough. Mr. Blood.
Your Honor, the state calls Katie Richens Benson.
I think she's in the lobby.
A lifetime of memories, reduced to testimony in a courtroom.